Got the living room here. About 9-foot ceilings. Little storage room here. Bedroom number 1. Can't really see it, but there's just one bed. And we have a really big dining room. Bathroom. It's all wheelchair accessible. Yeah. Bedroom number 2. And I just hit my head on the door frame. Is there a light? Nope, no light. Yep, can't see that. And in the back of the house, super slanted floors. Got a little kitchen. And a washer, dryer on this side, stove, fridge. Yeah, I like it. I want to buy it. Because my other house is right there. That's mine.